RPG Show, congratulations on 20 incredible years. Some of my absolute favorite wigs have come from RPG Show. Their quality is top tier, their hairlines, the density, the realism. Just look at how perfect these wigs are. Thank you for continuously setting the standard in beauty and hair innovation. Wishing you many, many, many more years of success and iconic transformations. Happy 20th anniversary, RPG Show. Please join me in the comments to wish RPG Show a happy anniversary. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be all about this gorgeous, curly, glueless wig that I received from RPG Show. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a 20-inch curly 360 lace wig. The density is 200%, and the lace does come pre-tinted. I chose light brown. The hair color is same as picture, but I would describe this hair color as being black with sombre highlights. So it's ombre from the top and reverse ombre at the bottom. And I would say that it's peekaboo highlights because when you move the brown hair color, you do see black underneath. So depending on how you style this wig, you will see more or less of that brown hair color. It is such a gorgeous and unique hair color, and it's perfect for any time of year. So I chose to get an M-shaped Lagos Widow's Peak, but this wig is also available in a normal hairline. The cap construction is a 360 lace wig, and it also includes 3 combs, a removable elastic band, and a transparent Invisi-strap. The Invisi-strap makes wearing glueless ponytails so much easier. Look how natural the back of this wig looks. All of the work is already done for you. You don't have to bleach the knots, and you do not have to pluck any extra hairs. So here is a closer look at the wig on a mannequin head straight out of the package. Gorgeous. I love the density of this hair. I love the flow and texture of this wig. Here is the perfect nape in the back. Here's how the wig would look in a ponytail. Gorgeous. It's just perfect. Here is a look at the parting space. Very, very deep parting in the front, and then you also get parting in the back as well. Okay, so now I am just going to co-wash the wig so that the hair is easier to style. I am grabbing a spray bottle of water, a Denman brush and detangling comb, a curling gel, and these perm rods. You do not have to add these baby hairs to your wig at all, but I personally prefer that because I have a longer nape in the back. So a lot of times you are able to see my hairline in the back and it doesn't really blend in. So I am doing this to kind of trick the eye and to make it look like it is blending in with the wig. So I'm just going to shave down some of that length, spray the hair with water, detangle it, and then I'm going to add some gel and those perm rods. Of course, with baby hairs, it does not have to be perfect, and baby hairs are in different lengths, so you do not have to worry about being so precise with this. The less uniformed it looks, the more natural it looks. So now I am grabbing sections of hair. I'm going to spray it with water, then use my detangling comb to detangle the hair, then apply a curling gel, and then use my Denman brush from the bottoms on upwards. I'm going to follow those steps for the entire head. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag curls in the comment section. So now that I'm done styling, it is now time to cut away that extra lace. Because this is a 360 lace wig, there is lace surrounding the entire perimeter of the wig. So I'm going to carefully cut the lace off in sections, making sure that I'm following the natural curvature of the hairline. I did let this hair air dry overnight. Now it's time to remove those perm rods. And of course, I just got a hair transplant, so I am not going to put any glue, tape, or adhesive on my hairline at all. This wig will be completely 100% glueless. But my secret weapon of choice today is going to be a satin-lined wig cap. It's satin in the inside and then a normal wig cap on the outside. This is a little tricky because it does roll up sometimes, as you can see. But I want to make sure that I am careful and taking my time when doing this, because this is probably the most important step to wearing this glueless wig today. So you are going to see me adjusting the Invisi-strap in the back as well as the elastic band. Oh, y'all look! Look how flawless, wow, look how flawless. I just literally placed it on my head and it's like perfect. Oh my goodness, and I love this hairline. It's the perfect widow's peak. Oh, this is pretty. I love this already. It looks so natural. I do want to adjust the fit of the wig because although it is perfectly secure on my head, as you can see, I want to make sure that it literally is not going anywhere. So I'm grabbing that elastic band and I'm just going to tighten it. Now I'm just going to grab the Invisi-strap. I'm going to tighten that and then tuck it underneath the wig. Grab the Invisi-strap, tighten it, and then tuck it underneath the wig. This wig is perfect, y'all. Perfect. I can't believe how great it looks and I didn't even glue it down. I did decide to style this wig in a couple of different ways. Here is the first look, and I basically just kept the curls defined and it looks really beautiful. It looks super natural. I really, really, really love the curl pattern and the hair color and the hairline. It's just an all-around gorgeous, perfect wig. And now I'm just going to use my pick to pick out the roots and just to comb through the hair a little bit for more elevation and body. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a middle part. And this is a 360 lace wig, so of course I had to do an updo. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to this wig from RPGshow in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.